had trouble sleeping, so I stay up late at night in a room lit by the TV light. All I want is to get some shut-eye, but my thoughts are keeping me awake. I don't know what it is.
Hi friends, welcome back to a new video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you are having a great day. Now, happy fall. It is officially fall, you guys, and I'm so excited because it is officially snuggle season. That's what I call it. I love snuggling up on the couch with a blanket and just watch series and movies. I've been saving up some series to watch this coming season. So anyway, that's how I started preparing. Now, you guys, obviously I'm going to be doing my bedroom for the fall season. I did this last year for the first time and I really liked it, so I decided to do it again this year. And I am going to be using items that I already had on hand. I did pick up a few new items that I will tell you along the way. But first things first, let's make up my bed. I usually refresh my bed linen every week, usually on a Sunday. Now, I have to say, sometimes I am a bit lazy and I do skip a week every now and then. But I'm fine with that because, well, I can just roll over to the other side if I feel that my side is not so fresh anymore. But anyway, it takes so much time, you guys, to change out all the beddings that sometimes I just skip a week. So leave me a comment below. Let me know, when do you change your beddings? Do you do it like every week, maybe even every day? I heard some people even do it every day. I couldn't possibly find the time to do that, but hey, if it's possible, I would sure love to. This throw blanket was a thrift find that I happened to stumble upon last year, and the timing was perfect because, like I mentioned, I didn't use to decorate my bedroom for the fall season, so I didn't have anything. And when I saw it, I thought it was perfect actually to make outdoor pillow covers with it. And when I got home, it turned out that it was a blanket. So of course I decided not to cut it up to make pillow covers out of it. And you guys, I'm so happy because I really love it here on my bed. I love the warm color and all the fall vibe that it gives me. Now, I decided to try something different for a change. You know how I mentioned that I do not like to iron. Now, this time I wasn't covering up my beddings, so I did notice that the wrinkles were so obvious. So I thought, why not try to iron it while it's on the bed? Now, I didn't put my hot iron on high, which I would have done if I would use it on my ironing board. But since my 100% silk duvet is in here, I didn't want to use too much heat because I didn't want to damage it. But hey, this is a very easy and quick way to iron your beddings if you do not want to pull out the ironing board. I did actually pick up 3 items that I'm gonna be using in my bedroom for this fall. One of them being these beautiful mustard yellow satin pillow covers. I picked them up during the summer. They were on sale and they were really quite affordable. They were from Action, and I love that they are satin because they feel so soft and so cozy, and the color is perfect for this time of year.
Whenever you're around, I wanna say something clever to get in your mind, 'cause right now.
And these 2 pillow covers, I had them downstairs on my sofa for the summer season, and I moved them up here.
Whenever you're around, yeah, whenever you're around, whenever you're around.
This orange blanket I've had for a while now. I haven't used it in a long time, and I actually do not really like it all that much, but I didn't have anything to put on this bench and I really want to cover it up because I think it is just too much gray in my face and I just wanted to tone it down a bit, so I thought I would use this blanket to cover it up.
So don't let go, get close to me. Oh, don't let go, get close to me. My body's waiting for you. I know your body's been.
And the second new item that I got is this flannel blanket, and I actually got it for my sofa downstairs, but when I was decorating my living room I felt that this color wasn't really going with what I had in mind, so I decided to use it up here, and it goes perfect with the blanket that I have on my bed. Now, I really love those traditional fall colors, and even though I went with more muted colors downstairs this year, I still wanted to bring those beautiful fall hues up here. And I mentioned that in my last video also, where I did my bathroom. In case you've missed that video, I will link it in my description box below. And this cute little fall pillow was a DIY that I did last year and I love it so much. Now you know that my nightstands aren't that big, so I'm not going overboard with the decor here. And usually I only decorate on my right side and not on my left side because I have too much stuff on my left side anyways. And for the bottom shelf of this bar cart, I'm going to be keeping it really simple. I'm only going to be using this pretty fall foliage and this DIY pumpkin that I did years ago. And I'm placing it in front of the switch to cover it up.
Take me on your treasure dive. I've got nothing to lose. After years with the blues. Oh, you know about them highs and lows. An angel is what I need to bring me up to full speed. The shades of blue holds feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I'll give anything.
Now, I'm a real sucker for beautiful fall arrangements. I do have them everywhere in my home. And of course, I'm going to be making one here too. Now, I do have these pretty warm fall foliage that were a thrift find a long time ago. And I love how pretty they still look. And I think they also look very realistic. I love the warm colors. And now the third item that I got new this year are these pretty poppies. I really do love that they are so bright orange. It makes me so happy. Now, I did share these in a haul. In case you are interested to see that, I will link it in my description box below. Now, I bought, I think, 6 of these or 7. And a couple of them I used in my bathroom. And the rest I'm going to be using for this arrangement here. I'm really happy with how everything turned out, and I know that I'm definitely going to be enjoying this space for this upcoming season. Now, I do hope that you got some inspiration and motivation to decorate your bedroom for the fall season. I did try to keep it really simple this year. I didn't even change out the wall art above my bed. I really liked the art that I had already here. The colors were perfect. And as you can see, I also didn't put a garland on my bed head. And I didn't really want it to. Like I said, I wanted to keep it simple. And of course, I wanted to do something different instead of having every year the same decor. But this is finally how it all turned out. I'm really loving it, and I'm loving all the oranges, you guys. It is just so warm and cozy. Now that brings this video to a conclusion. I hope that you have enjoyed this. So until next time, always remember to live, laugh and love. Bye.